Click on the link below to get price. The Napoleon Built-In 700 Series 32-inch propane griddle, model Big 32 FTPSS, is designed to elevate the outdoor cooking experience for enthusiasts and casual grillers alike. This built-in unit offers a blend of innovation, functionality, and sleek design, making it a noteworthy addition to any outdoor kitchen. At first glance, the griddle captures attention with its stainless steel exterior, which not only provides a modern aesthetic but also enhances durability and ease of maintenance. Designed for built-in installation, it seamlessly integrates into outdoor cabinetry for a clean and professional look. The 32-inch cooking surface provides ample space, allowing users to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, catering to gatherings or family meals with ease. One of the standout features of this griddle is its powerful propane burner system. With 4 stainless steel burners, it delivers an impressive total of 48,000 BTUs of heat. This ensures quick heating and consistent temperatures across the entire cooking surface, whether you are searing steaks, frying eggs, or grilling vegetables. Additionally, the griddle is equipped with a built-in grease management system, which helps to keep the cooking area clean and minimizes the risk of flare-ups. Users will appreciate the versatility of the flat-top cooking surface, which allows for a range of culinary techniques. From classic breakfast items like pancakes and sausage to lunch favorites such as burgers and grilled cheese, the options are extensive. Moreover, the griddle's generous cooking area can accommodate large meals, making it an ideal choice for entertaining or family gatherings. Another notable aspect is the easy-to-use electronic ignition system, which allows for quick and reliable lighting of the burners. This feature adds to the overall convenience of the unit, particularly for those who may be new to outdoor cooking. Furthermore, the griddle's even heat distribution ensures that food is cooked uniformly, contributing to delicious results. In summary, the Napoleon Built-In 700 Series 32-inch propane griddle offers a thoughtful combination of design and functionality. With its robust construction, ample cooking space, and versatile features, it provides a reliable option for those looking to enhance their outdoor cooking capabilities. Whether for casual weekend meals or more elaborate outdoor feasts, this griddle is positioned as a practical tool for diverse culinary endeavors.